This story is pretty short, but it covers our first person words that we're going to use whenever we notice that an author uses the words I, me, my, we. We know that they wrote it in first person. The person who is a character in the book is also telling the story. So let's read it together. Down in the blue box. It was my first day of school. There was so much to do. So we know that this girl is our storyteller. She is in the book or the story that was written. She's in it. It was her first day of school. So it was my first day of school. There was so much to do. Up to the green box. First, we sang. It's her and her friends. They sang together. Yellow box. Next, we listened to a story. I did all my work. That tells that she did all of her work. She's telling you what she did. Then we played. It was fun. Last, we said goodbye. See you tomorrow. We know that this girl told us her story of her first day. So this is first person writing.